Lawrence here with TEC Grill. Look who I'm with today.
Stevie Fredericks, Twisted Burrito.
Twisted Burrito in Evans. We are doing, you've heard of the McRib, okay, maybe you heard of that place. We're gonna take it up to a different level. We're doing the McRay today. We're gonna season these guys up. We got some St. Louis cut pork ribs right here, some Durty ribs. We're gonna season these guys up with some of our honey rib rub and our Durty Gurl seasoning. Let me tell you guys something about these new seasonings. They are amazing. You gotta give them a try. I'm not in the seasoning business, honestly, but you've gotta give these things a try. They are world class. We're gonna go heavy on the honey rib rub. We've already taken the silver skin off the back, and then we're gonna go lightly with the Durty Gurl. Now, on the back, what you wanna do after you put this on, you wanna let them sweat for about 15 minutes to let it sink in, and then we're gonna put them on the grill for 2 hours at 275. So we'll see you at the Rec Tech. All right, so we've let them sweat for 15 minutes. We're gonna go out to the new RT700. We're gonna put them on at 275 for 2 hours. Then we're gonna wrap them for 2 hours at 275. And then we're gonna go about 30 to 45 minutes with the sauce on them. And we're gonna get those bones until they pull out for this McRay sandwich. We'll see you at the Rec Tech. All right, so we just checked these guys out. 2 hours at 275. They are really tender, so you got to be real careful here. See, I'm gonna lift these, try to get the spoil out as best you can. Try to support these. Go. All right. Now remember, we're overcooking these intentionally for our McRay sandwich, which we are taking to, get this thing.
Yeah.
See the bones falling out? That's what we're after, believe it or not, because we're making this McRay. It's okay. We're going to sauce them right now, and move this, gotta get my brush under there. We're gonna sauce them and just give it about 15 more minutes. This brush under there. I'll put it out there and you brush it, Stevie. And what we did is a Cattleman's Gold and a little bit of Rec Tech barbecue sauce mixed. We're gonna put it nice and heavy. We're gonna turn the grill down to 225. Let this stuff bake on. About 15-20 minutes, and we're gonna make that sandwich. We'll see you inside. We're back, baby. The McRay. All right, so we went 275 for 2 hours, then we wrapped them at 275 for 2 hours, and we put a little bit of the Rec Tech barbecue sauce in there, and that's just to put a little steam and moisture in there. And then we unwrapped them and left them actually at 275. I know I said 225 earlier. Put some sauce on there, and now we left them for about another 30 minutes. We overcooked them intentionally. We're gonna pull these bones out, and we're gonna wiggle them out like this.
Look at that.
And we want to get them nice and clean and work them out. That one didn't come clean. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to eat some of this.
Don't do it.
I'm gonna have to, man.
Don't do it.
You sure?
Look at that.
My bad. I dropped that piece. But anyway, we're gonna wiggle these bones out. Those tongs weren't working great. Wiggle them out, and we're gonna make this McRay sandwich. Yeah, ain't nothing. Now, if your bones aren't coming out clean, all you have to do is go a little bit longer, and then you're gonna get them to come out clean. Again, we're overcooking them slightly. In competition barbecue, you wanna go where they're bite off clean. And what we did is we're doing them where you pull them out clean. So I got this one ready up here. Let's get this one ready. We can't get both ready.
Oh, wow.
Woo, it's hot. And we're gonna build this sandwich. So first thing I'm gonna do, what we did is we got the Cattleman's Gold. We already got a lot of this on
On the ribs.
the ribs themselves. Thank you, Steve.
Yeah, I'll help you out there, bud.
I know, man, I'm struggling because that brush won't work too good. We're gonna put a little bit on that top. Just wanna make sure we got plenty of sauce. Okay? So, we're gonna take,
Deboned
you want me to,
rib. There we go. Just throw the whole thing on it.
that's right,
Cut
that's
it
what we're
off.
doing. Get it on like so. Once we cut it out, we'll plate it. We're gonna put pickles. We've got some Famous Dave pickles. Use your favorite pickle. These are sweet pickles. We're gonna put them on there. We also pickled some red onions. This is a 3/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a couple shakes of allspice, and we put a couple
Smoked paprika.
smoked paprika. That's a joke.
No.
And then oh, you did? All right, and then a couple shakes of red pepper flake. And then you just put it in a mason jar for at least 30 minutes, but this stays good for weeks. So we're gonna put some pickled red onions on here. Spread those out, Stevie, if you don't mind.
These things are incredible.
I mean, we just ate some and tasted them straight. They're amazing. Let me get something to cut that sandwich with. All right, so we got this McRay ready.
I'll take that half.
It's a big sandwich, Stevie.
It's all good.
How about we cut one of these in half for
Yes.
us? All right, let's check it out. Whoops. Get another one. Can you piece it together?
I can piece that back together. The McRay.
McRay. You never go to that other place again. I tell you what, we put them out of business. Except this would cost about $20 versus $2.99. Maybe they would stay alive. We hope you liked it.
Wow.
Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for growing with me, buddy.